Now, let me walk you through a few common emotional wounds many of us carry. Harsh words. Think about it. A time when someone told you, you are too much, you're too emotional, you're so sensitive. These words planted seeds of self doubt. Now you second guess yourself, you minimize your feelings or your emotional reactions. Another one is emotional inconsistency. Maybe you grew up in a home where love was there, but only certain days, or love came with strings. That inconsistency can lead you to crave intensity over stability in relationships without even realizing it. Third one is the not enough wound. For high performing women like you, this one is familiar. No matter how much you achieve, it never feels quite like enough. And deep down, you're afraid that if you slow down, everything might fall apart.